How to get Notion API key. Want to connect apps or automate workflows with Notion? Here's how to get your Notion API keys. Log into your Notion account on desktop or web. Make sure you're in the workspace where you want to use the API. Now go ahead and head over into Notion Marketplace. So from here, look for the connections, click on it, and that will take you into the integrations tab. On the Notion integration page, make sure to create a new integration and fill in the details. Give it a name, choose your workspace, and set permissions. Now, after that, once created, Notion generates an internal integration token key. This is your API key, so copy it and keep it safe. It works like a password. Now, share the pages or databases you want the integration to access. Without this step, your API key won't be able to read or write data, and that is how to get the Notion API key.